Some very important information about fuses. See, looks like very nice, good fuses, new. It's, for example, 20 ampere is like this, 10 ampere is exactly same thickness. 5 ampere is also same thickness as S20. So if you put like this fuse in fuse box and it's some short, see what's happening. Fuse is not blowing, it's burning, and burning cables. So if you buy cheap fuses, it's like that. Same is here, this fuse 25. Somebody have put it, and as you see, it's same thickness. No, this may be little, but it's guarantee that it gonna burn not fuse but plastic and melt it, and it happens something not good. So if you buy fuses, buy expensive ones, not cheap ones. See you next time.